Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today this is day 7 of me opening up the Pixar or Disney 100 Pixar Oscars 37th anniversary edition trading cards. This is day 7, so that means after this video I will be picking 5 lucky winners. So hopefully you are subscribed and commented on one or more videos this week. I will put you in a duck race, which I will record and put it on, I don't know, maybe Twitter, TikTok and YouTube, or just YouTube. But anyways, I'll decide that after this. But for sure I will put it on YouTube. But anyways, let's get into this. We have had an awesome week. This week we pulled 2 winners. If you didn't see the 2 winners we pulled, it was yesterday and the day before. Can we pull 3 in a row? I doubt it, but I got high hopes. But this luck can continue. No 3 winner cards. But yeah, that was sweet. I mean, we can still get awesome gold cards and an embroidered patch out of here. But yeah, it has been an awesome week. Glad everybody joined me. Hopefully enjoying it. I mean, this is fun. And I'll keep doing it until I run out of money, right? Anyways, we have the 10 packs ready to go. If you want to buy some packs, I do have them on my website, plushgamesandmore.com. And I do have boxes for sale too. Oh, we have the Woody. Look at that. We have the Woody 3D card from Toy Story. They are super shiny, so it's hard to keep the light off of them. But it's a really nice card. And we have Joel Gardner. But like I was saying, in my store, plushgamesandmore.com, I do have a 5-pack of cards, and I do have a box. And I just have the cards, if you like to get like just the 3D cards, or a set of Toy Story or whatever. We have Wally and Jessie. And as I open packs, all these cards will be listed eventually. So, let's go. Let's find a gold card. We have not pulled a gold card yet. But I mean, 2 winners back to back. It is amazing. There is May May. Such an angry panda. Look at that panda face. Such a mean, angry panda face. We have Hector from Coco. I like the dog from Coco. I wish they had a dog card. I mean, the dog is on one of the cards, but it's not by himself. So, yeah, the dog's really cool. Dante. We have a movie quote. It says, "Thanks for the adventure. Now go have a new one. Love, Ellie." And we have the claw. Go. We have Nemo, shiny Nemo, the checklist, and a Woody. This one does not want to tear. Come on, get a gold card. We have May May and May May. Double May May. What the May May? Come on, don't do that. I hate when they do that. I've rarely seen it in this set, but yesterday and today we saw back-to-back of the same card. That's crazy. Jack and Buzz. 2 more packs to go. We have Joe Gardner and the Claw again. 1 more pack, then we'll get to the awesome encased card. Everybody loves those encased cards. Joel Gardner said in the past, that's what got me into this set, is the encased cards. I really love these things. Here we go. What are we going to get? Oh, he got an Easter egg. These are 3D cards. They have like a magnifying glass on each one of these, and then this one shows like a Buzz laying down in the background, but you have to unfold it, and yeah. You're not going to get it back in the package, so I don't unfold these, but yeah, they're really sweet cards. Anyways, make sure you comment down below so I can enter you in the drawing. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. If you're watching on TikTok, come on over so you can comment and get some free swag. Take care, everybody. Bye. See you tomorrow.